Howdy everybody, welcome back, and I started building a game with this template and I found a couple issues that will be rolled out in the first update, hopefully within a day or two. I might even get to it tonight, I'm not too sure yet. But what the issue is when you're running artwork from a different artist and it's got a different pixel size, it does not automatically update in the modular system, as you can see here. So to fix this, I added a few variables right here in the set enemy variables here area. One is VFX sizes and one is enemy sizes. So from here, again in the player blueprint, we can put it back down to its normal size and use different art sources. Compile and save. And now the issue is fixed. There was also an issue with the interact checker, but we're going to do that in a different tutorial for labeling purposes. So let's see what has been added in the enemy, in the intelligent enemy. On this sequence, it is updating with the animations, and I'm pulling a variable from the player reference, their enemy size and VFX size, and it's setting the paper flipbook component up here. So that's one more thing we are able to eliminate with the player 2D player blueprint. Oops. And let's see. That was pretty quick and easy. It's only 2 minutes. So let's organize this right quick before the update. VFX size 6. So let's compile that right quick and save. And I have ran into one more issue, and that is the interact checker. So also, when you use different artists and you change your characters, swap out your flipbooks to something else that's not in this project, so I can't. Let's go to interaction system, and I'll just go ahead and show you. I'm sure there's another fix that's going to be coming out for this as soon as I'm able to, but blueprints, interaction, and right here, this is a test blueprint and this is your interact checker. If you change the capsule sizes and stuff and you go to play and you notice your signs are not working or your save blueprint is not working, I'll show you most likely what it is. So if we open up our interact checker and go to viewport and cube, modular systems come with a price. This is one of those prices. look for visible in the top right in your interact checker and click visible. Compile and save. And now when you play, you'll be able to see where your interact checker is at. So when you're playing, if you're not interacting with stuff, it most likely has to do with this interact checker being too far down or too far up. And for the sake of this video, since we're already going and it's only 5 minutes, go to interact checker, compile, and save. Now you'll see it's too far down, and certain things you cannot interact with. That worked.
Hey, bye.
That worked. I think it's the quest givers that I ran into the problem with. Yeah, it's the quest givers. So if you run into that problem, it most likely has to do with your interact checker being too far up or too far down. And again, I've ran into that problem when swapping out the main characters on the character select. And when you're done with it, just set it back to invisible. I'm most likely going to add a variable system in here for the interact checker, so that it's possible to turn it visible and invisible while you're playing for on-the-go debugging. And interact checker, save. So those are the first two things that I ran into, and there will be an update soon, within the next couple days, for at least the character sizes and most likely the interact checker, because those are the two things that have killed the most time and stopped the streamline process. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope this helped somebody, and when I find more stuff to fix or streamline, there will be another video. I hope y'all have an awesome day. Bye.